Hey everyone, welcome back to UniOne Email API YouTube channel, where we help you master email marketing and deliverability. Today we're tackling a major issue that can make or break your email campaigns. Email delivery issues. How to identify and fix them. Even the best crafted email won't work if it never reaches the inbox. So what causes delivery failures? And how can you fix them? Let's break it down. First, let's define email deliverability. It's not just about whether your email was sent, it's about whether it actually landed in the inbox. Many people confuse delivery and deliverability, so let's clarify. Email delivery is an event in which your email was accepted by the recipient's server. Email deliverability is a metric showing the percentage of sent emails that actually reach the inbox. Why email deliverability matters. A high delivery rate directly translates to trust and reliability. If your emails don't reach inboxes, your campaign loses impact. When customers consistently receive your messages, they're more likely to engage with your business. Here are the key business factors influenced by email deliverability. Number 1. Brand reputation. Landing in spam folder damages your brand image. Low inbox placement means fewer opens, clicks, and conversions. Email providers track how often users mark emails as spam. Too many complaints, and your messages may get blocked entirely. Number 2. Maximizing ROI. Email marketing can generate up to $36 for every dollar spent, but poor deliverability wastes your budget and reduces profits. Ensuring high inbox placement means better returns on your marketing investments. Number 3. Sustained growth. Good deliverability keeps your audience engaged. Consistent inbox placement leads to better interaction, nurturing your subscriber list, and boosting conversions. Investing in deliverability today means long-term success. Next, let's explore the common reasons behind email delivery issues. There are 3 common reasons why emails fail to reach inboxes. Reason 1. Soft bounces. Temporary issues preventing delivery. Reason 2. Hard bounces. Permanent delivery failures. And the reason number 3. Server unreachable. The recipient's server is down or unavailable. Let's go through them one by one. Soft bounces occur when an email can't be delivered at the moment, but might go through later. Here's what usually causes them. Too many emails at once. Flooding a single server with lots of emails in a short period triggers rate limits. The receiving server might delay or temporarily reject your messages to manage the load, or to check if users start marking them as spam. Suspicious content. Spam filters scan for certain words that look like red flags. 100% guaranteed, free money, or act now. Some emails might still get through, but if the system isn't sure, it'll often put similar messages on hold. Graylisting. Some servers use this trick to fight spam. They reject the first attempt and only accept emails that are retried after a delay. Spam bots don't retry, so this helps keep inboxes clean. What happens next? Soft bounces usually resolve on their own. A good ESP will automatically retry sending or spread out delivery attempts to work around graylisting. A hard bounce is a permanent failure, meaning the particular email will never reach the recipient. Main causes include the following. Non-existent recipient address. If an email is sent to an address that doesn't exist, it will bounce back as undeliverable. Typos, deactivated accounts, or fake addresses all contribute to this issue. Using an email validation API can help catch these before sending. Email list decay. Up to 15% of email addresses become unreachable each year due to abandoned mailboxes. These should be removed quickly, as old addresses can be converted into spam traps. Spam content. Excessive spammy words, misleading subject lines, or too many exclamation marks can trigger filters. Modern ISPs use advanced detection, so even well-disguised spam won't make it through. Missing SPF, DKIM, or DMARC authentication. Without proper authentication records, receiving servers may reject your emails as unverified. In particular, Gmail and Yahoo now strictly require authentication, making it essential to avoid delivery issues. High bounce rate history. ISPs track bounce rates, and a consistently high rate suggests poor list hygiene. Sending to outdated lists increases the chances of being blocked entirely. Blacklisting. If your domain or IP appears on spam blacklists, most email servers will block your messages. Regularly checking your sender reputation and addressing complaints can help you stay off these lists. Large email attachments. Many servers limit attachment sizes, so oversized files can lead to rejection. Instead, use file sharing links to ensure smooth delivery. Permission-based issues. Sending emails to unsubscribed users or those who never opted in can lead to complaints and hard bounces. Always maintain a clean permission-based list. Standards violation. Emails that don't comply with RFC standards or contain faulty MIME formatting will also be rejected. If using custom-built email software, ensure proper formatting. Mailbox capacity issues. While usually a soft bounce issue, a consistently full inbox can eventually lead to a hard bounce. If an address repeatedly returns a mailbox full error, consider it unreachable. Sometimes, emails fail because the recipient's server is simply down. This can happen due to the following reasons. First, server maintenance or technical issues. Second, network problems on the recipient's end. While this doesn't directly harm your reputation, monitoring these failures helps you avoid wasting time and resources. To help your emails reach the inbox, you need a solid strategy that prevents and fixes delivery issues. Here's how to do it effectively. First of all, strengthen your sender reputation. Your reputation as a sender is critical. If your domain has a poor track record, your emails might never reach your audience. Here's how to maintain a good reputation. Send emails consistently. Avoid long pauses followed by massive blasts. Providers flag erratic sending behavior as suspicious. Use trusted domains and IPs. Blacklisted domains will have trouble getting emails through. Reduce spam complaints. Always include an easy-to-find unsubscribe link to let uninterested recipients opt out. Next, set up proper email authentication. ISPs need to confirm you're a legitimate sender. Without authentication, your emails may be flagged as spam or phishing attempts. SPF Sender Policy Framework defines which mail servers can send on behalf of your domain, preventing spoofing. DKIM domain keys. Identified mail uses a digital signature to confirm your message hasn't been altered in transit. DMARC domain-based message authentication, reporting and conformance tells mail servers what to do when SPF or DKIM fails, ensuring better protection against email fraud. Keep your email list clean. An outdated or low-quality email list can hurt deliverability. Here's how to keep it in top shape. Remove invalid addresses. Bounced emails signal internet service providers that you're not maintaining a quality list. Identify inactive users. If a recipient never engages, consider removing them to improve open rates. Use double opt-in. Requiring new subscribers to confirm their sign-up eliminates spam traps and fake addresses. Next important thing, optimize your email content. Even with perfect technical settings, poor content can still get your email flagged. To avoid this, write clear, well-structured messages. Avoid excessive promotional phrases that trigger spam filters. Balance text and HTML. Emails that are too image-heavy or lack proper formatting may be flagged as spam. And the last, but not the least, monitor and adjust your strategy. Once your emails are sent, monitor performance and tweak your approach. Track bounce rates and complaints. If specific domains reject your emails, investigate the cause. Segment your audience. Targeted messaging increases engagement and improves sender reputation. A/B test different elements. Experiment with subject lines, templates, and send times to optimize performance. By implementing these steps, you'll improve email deliverability and ensure your messages land where they belong, in the inbox. The key to getting your emails away from spam folders and in front of your customers is having a strong email delivery partner. That's where UniOne comes in. It's an all-in-one solution designed to take the hassle out of email deliverability. With built-in support for SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, setting up authentication is quick and easy. And let's talk about integration. UniOne's API is developer-friendly, so you can connect it to your apps without any headaches. Need polished, professional emails? The drag-and-drop HTML builder and AI assistant make designing templates effortless. Plus, the real-time dashboard keeps you in control, showing exactly what happens to every email, whether it's sent, opened, clicked, or bounced. Most importantly, UniOne is built to handle high volumes without delays or throttling. So, if you're looking for a reliable partner to help with email delivery issues, UniOne has you covered. If you found this helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on email marketing. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.